everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, we are going to work with pumpkins. Some Dollar Tree pumpkins. Isn't it cute? I saw these and I knew I had to do something with them. Okay, so I have 3. 2, 3. And when we remove the plastic, this is what we have. So I'm just going to move these to the side, because whatever I do with this one, I'm going to do with those as well. So I'm going to grab a piece of paper, put it underneath here, and the thing that I'm going to do is really simple. I have some sequin that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and they have like a couple of different tones of gold in here. They have rose gold, they have rust, and then they have like a bronze. I like this color of gold. It's more like a champagne gold, so I'm going to use that color. And now I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue and I put some right on the lid. Just in a random pattern. Okay? And then I'm just going to take some of my gold sequin and sprinkle this right on top of the glue. Right here, I definitely want some sequin, so I'm going to add some more glue here and sprinkle it on. Once you do that, go ahead and look at your pattern and see if you want to change anything. If not, just pat it down. I kind of like the idea of this one, so I want to add a little bit more glue. Just in random places. And this is what we have for the top. So what I want to do next is add some gold leaf to the base. So I'll put this aside. Okay guys, I'm back. I went ahead and decorated all 3 tops. And now I'm going to add some gold leaf to the bases. I have some gold leaf here, and as you all know, Dollar Tree sells gold leaf as well. I have these tiny little Dollar Tree cups, and I'm going to put some Wicked Stick It. And this thing is so sticky, it grabs everything. So please look over the bottom. I'm gonna put a little bit of Wicked Stick It in here. And then I'm gonna take one of these Dollar Tree brushes, just kind of like rough it up a little bit. I'm going to dip it into the Wicked Stick It and just randomly put it on my pumpkin. Just dab it, get the drips. It's hard to see where the Wicked Stick It is, so I'm going to go ahead and allow the Wicked Stick It to get tacky. And then I'll add my gold leaf. If I want to add more gold leaf, then I'll add more Wicked Stick It, okay? So now I'll go ahead and do the second one and the third one as well. So I'll do the third one off camera. I'll allow the Wicked Stick It to become tacky, then I'll come back and add the gold leaf. Okay you guys, so I'm done decorating all 3 of my bases. I might add some more gold leaf here, I'm not sure yet. Yeah, these are my 3 bases and these are the tops. And as you see, I have a Dollar Tree candle holder. And I have 2 more right here. And now I'll use some of my other Gorilla Glue to glue my bases onto the top of my candle holders. Now I'm going to flip this over and put this directly in the center. Alright, now that I think it's centered, I'll flip it back over. Okay, so now I have all three glued together. And I really like the way that looks already. So I'll let this dry overnight. And maybe I'll come back and add some decorations to the base of my candle holders as well. Okay, moving on to DIY number 2. I have this pumpkin. And I found it in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $5. It's the look of 3 stacked pumpkins. I'm not going to do a whole lot to it because it's really pretty the way it is, but we do want to glam it up, and the color is a little bit too off-white for me, so I'm going to go ahead and spray paint this white and then come back. Okay guys, I'm back, and I honestly thought that I was recording. As you can see, I spray painted it white, and I put Wicked Stick It on the stem, and then I put gold leaf on there, thinking that I was recording, but I wasn't. So it's going to be simple. I'm just going to add some more of the Wicked Stick It on here, and I have some in this cup. And I'm going to do the same thing as before, and I'm just going to randomly brush it on here. Nothing major. Now one look could be you have like 3 different pumpkins, 3 different colors, but I don't want that look. I want this to match what I've done already with the other 3 pumpkins. So I'm going to allow the Wicked Stick It to set up again, then come back in and add some more of the gold leaf and move on to the next step. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes and it's pretty tacky. So now I'm going to take some gold leaf and just put it on here and see where it sticks. I thought about sprinkling some gold glitter, but I think this is fine the way it is. It's like a gold patina, and I like that look. Here I have a 4th pumpkin and candle holder that's glued together. But this time around, I'm going to glue this on top. So I'm going to take some more of my Gorilla Glue, put it right on the candle holder. I went ahead and removed the label from the bottom, so now I'll set this right on top. And I'll spin it to make sure that it's centered. So now I'll let this completely dry, but then after maybe I'll come back in and add some gold bling to the candle holder. Okay guys, so this is the very next day, and my glue has completely set up, and this is what we're looking at. Off camera, I went ahead and added some more gold leaf on top of here. So what I want to do now is just add some trim around the base and maybe some here. So I'm going to use some of this beaded trim from Dollar Tree. And guys, it's so easy to find this. They have it all the time. Now this already has adhesive on the back. So I'm just going to peel this off. Maybe this will be the back, and just put some right around the candle holder. So that gives it a more finished look. So now I'll put some right around here. Since I have so much of this left, I'm going to go ahead and add some to my other 3 pieces as well. Put them on display and let you guys see what they look like.